Add noise to streaming audio. Go to the Tools tab and click the Noise Generator button. Select the noise type from the drop-down. Use the slider to adjust the volume of the noise generated. Stream your audio. Continue watching for additional details when using the noise generator. Go to the Tools tab and click the Noise Generator button. It will appear in the effects list. Open the drop-down next to the noise type to select either white or brown noise. White noise is broadly spread across the sound spectrum, including low frequency, mid-range, and high frequency sounds. Brown noise is deeper, stronger, at the low end, and without high frequency sounds of white and pink noise. Use the noise level slider to adjust the volume of the noise generated. To save your preset, select Save Preset from the Presets drop-down. Type a name for your preset, then click OK. The new preset can be used anytime. Stream your audio and the noise will be applied. For more DeskFX tutorials, please visit the address shown on your screen.